Okay, so I am actually really excited about this. Really excited. I woke up really early to head over to Primark, Central London. I was so determined to get everything down to primer, down to foundation, concealer, contour, blush, eyeshadow palettes, highlighters, brow stuff. When I went in there, I was so shocked. And I was shocked by how many foundations they had. They had like a matte foundation, they had like a dropper similar to the Cover FX custom drop foundations. They had so many cool things and I was like, what the heck? We not only do we have foundations, we have variety. That's crazy to me. I didn't even know what foundation to take. I just took one that was sealed properly because some of them weren't even sealed properly and I was like, I'm not gonna trust that. Yeah, let's get right into it. This actually all came up to £90, which is a lot of money. Like around $100 for Primark makeup. But I got everything, like everything I needed for a makeup tutorial. This tutorial is solely to test these things out and to save you some money if they are really good things. And if they're not worth it, then I will tell you it is not worth it. But if this Primark makeup works, I will be super surprised. In the long run, you guys will know what works, what doesn't. If this is worth it, you can go purchase it, save your money on more expensive brands, and if it's not worth it, you can also save your money in not getting it. So it was money well spent, really. This is the nails in antique stone, so they're pretty cool. Again, I can't play with these, so I just put them on for the video just for fun. So excited for this, you don't understand. There's some things I want to show you guys that are really gonna blow your mind. Yeah, some things I swatched in stores, and can I just say there's no such thing as one tester in Primark. Everything has been swatched by people. I don't understand. If there's a tester, use a tester. If there isn't and you want to be mad shady and open up something that's not a tester, fine. If there's nothing there, do you, right? I'm not saying do it, but I understand why you do that. But why swatch every eyeshadow palette? It's like, how am I supposed to buy a clean one? I literally went through about 20 eyeshadow palettes in order to get a clean one that hasn't been touched, because that's dirt. You don't know where people's fingers has been. They'd be swatching it like it's not even a tester. Why are you doing that? I can't do anything with these nails. Can I just say another thing? I was so surprised by all the like Kylie Jenner dupes. Crazy. I'm gonna start off with the primer water. This is the Prep Skin for makeup application. To hydrate and refreshes, silicone free, oil free, alcohol free priming water, and it's 2 pounds. Priming water is on. Oh, I'm so excited for this. You don't understand. I like literally woke up this morning. I was like, yes, Primark makeup, full face. Super excited for this. So I got this strobing highlighter cream. So right off the bat, it's like a radiance strobe cream. It has like champagne-y, it's like a champagne-y color. I'm really praying for you, Primark. A little too much. Not discouraged. Not discouraged at all. Gosh-tastic, guys. With it. This is gonna be sitting under our foundation, so. But it kind of latched on to my scar. That's so funny. So I got the Perfect Color Matte Foundation, and this one was one of the only ones that had a seal on it, and I'm in the shade Toffee. Fresh. Put 3 pumps on. I'm gonna take some of this orange corrector and just correct my under eyes. Because no matter what foundation or what concealer I'm using, my dark circles will always be a little gray if I don't correct. That was 3 pumps and it only covered half of my face. I'm gonna go in with some more. I'm not a big fan of this brush. It's good, but it's not great. I'm gonna go in with my Real Techniques. It's not the greatest, but it works like most foundations. You do see some texture on my forehead, which you don't usually see, but it's actually pretty good. But I would say 5 pumps of this stuff. I had to get 5 pumps in order for it to actually cover like a normal foundation would. Moving on, I got the contour sticks and I have the highlighting, bronzing, and shading. Before I do that, I'm just gonna wipe off the foundation off my lips because this is not cute. Comes with a little sharpener that sits over here with the highlighting shade. And with this, they didn't have variety. I think this is the only one that they had. Probably wouldn't work for most people. Next, I'm gonna go in with the bronze color, which is the second darkest. And I guess It's actually quite dark. It's very creamy. It feels like a matte finish, but it's very creamy, which I like. All right, let's go with the deepest. Don't know where I would put this because this looks quite deep, but let's just define the contour a little more. Okay, now I look like the girl in the packaging. Just like the Instagram girls. Kind of tired. The stick contours definitely don't blend out with a beauty blender. It just gets really chalky looking, I guess. Doesn't blend out very nicely at all. What I'm gonna try to do is fix it, and I'm gonna go over with some foundation, all right? Hopefully this doesn't mess me up. I feel like it's gotten better. Under my eyes, it looks very like chunky. But anyways, I'm just gonna try to set it before it gives me any more problems. This is the setting powder that I picked up. It's the Rose Powder Loose Powder to Set Makeup and Brighten Under Complexion for all skin tones. Now I was looking for the yellow. They were completely sold out of the yellow, so this would just have to do. I literally made them go downstairs and I was like, please check if the yellow's there. The banana powder, they have a banana powder version. Hold back on making this tutorial because I have the pink and not the yellow, so we're gonna see how this one works. Okay, so while that bakes, I'm gonna go on to the eyes. I have this really cool eyeshadow palette that looks exactly like the Kylie Jenner palettes. So, that's interesting. These three are matte and everything else is shimmer. And I'm just going to apply this to my crease. Oh, that is pretty. That is some pigment. Wow. I'm pretty impressed, guys. I'm gonna go in with this color and a flat shader brush and just apply that right in the mid inner section. Wow! That's pretty good. Oh, you guys, look at it. That is really good. How much did I pay for this? £4 for this eyeshadow palette. And with some of this matte brown color, and just apply that right on the outer corner. Take that same blending brush that I started off with and just lightly blend that up. I'm gonna take their angled and tapered powder brush and just dust off the bake. Okay, so eyeshadow, 100% impressed. Like, that's crazy. That's crazy to me. £4. I picked up this palette here. Now, the first time I saw this, I was like, tacky. But then I was like, hold on a second. This is pressed pigments. Pressed, like, glitters. Let's go in with this gold color and just apply that right on top. Okay, so onto the brows. I did purchase the dupe for the Anastasia's Brow Wiz. I saw it there. I don't know if the lady put it in my bag. I don't know where it went. But anyways, I did also buy these two brow products. And now one is a brow powder filling, or filling powder. So let's try this out together. These are the swatches. I don't know if you can see the difference, but this one's the cool brown. This is the light brown. Oh, I'm so upset. I was so looking forward to that brow product. I don't know where it went. But anyways, good thing I got this. So I guess we could just like... Let's go ahead and try to do the other one. Let's not mess this up now. I done messed up. I applied some blush. I messed up the foundation. I messed up everything. The eyes, okay. Impressed. Base, not really. I'm gonna go in with this Gold Rush highlighting palette. And what does this look like to you guys? Comment down below because it's pretty clear to me. But I'm not even mad because it's cheaper. I'm gonna first bronze and I'm gonna use this color here and I'm just gonna warm up everything because I'm looking very ghostly. By the way, this is the Primark brush as well. Brush is pretty good. All right, cool. We've bronzed. Now it's time for some highlight. Highlight. This is their fan brush and it was only $2. There you go. That's how you open up a brush. Ooh, pro fan. I like the handle, it's metal. To match the eyes, I'm gonna go in with this one. Yes. All right, I'm really feeling this right now. What? Now time to add some mascara to my bottom lash line. All right, almost done, guys, and I'm actually quite impressed. I don't know if you guys can see it, but my eyeshadow is slightly creasing a little bit, but that's okay. I'm gonna go in with the lip liner, and I really love this color. This is the lip liner in the color Toffee. Now, just to top the lip liner off, I'm gonna go in with the Velvet Matte Lipstick Crayon in the Dulce de Leche. I also purchased some lashes that look like mink lashes, but I won't be able to wear them because I do have my own lashes on. But I will save this for another video. And the last step is just setting this in place. I can't click the button because my nails are too long. How do people do this? I don't understand. There you go. Okay. It's actually kind of scary. Not gonna lie. Don't wear this at night. There's a lot of flashback. The eyebrows look good. Eyeshadow looks good. The sparkle looks good. The lipstick looks amazing. Yeah, I would just say the contour and the foundation, it was not working. Contour was extremely hard to blend. Not worth it at all. Yeah, I will check back with you guys in about 1:45 now, so I'll probably check back with you guys at 10 and see how this makeup looks. Hey guys! Okay, it is 11:38 right now. The last time I checked in with you guys was around, I think, 1:38. I took a nap, I did work all day. I tried really hard not to touch my face. But let's get up and personal. I didn't touch up my makeup at all. The eyes look really good. We have some glitter transfer, but that's completely normal. The eyeshadow looks amazing. The eyebrows held on really well, and I fell asleep and I slept on this side and then I slept on this side. I ate some chicken, the lipstick's off. Surprised about the foundation. It actually held on pretty well. Actually, this is kind of like the first time I'm actually analyzing it. Looks pretty much the same. It hasn't gotten oily the way I expected it to be, but wow, I'm actually quite impressed. Again, I wouldn't repurchase this. I probably would never use it again because I have so many other foundations that I love, but I will definitely be using the eyeshadows. I will definitely be using the brow product and the lipstick. So yeah, I just thought I'd check in with you guys. Tuning in, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also hit that little bell notification to get notified every time I upload a video. Love you guys. Mwah.